What is the brain dump strategy for last-minute exam prep? Imagine walking into your exam room feeling confident, knowing you have a secret weapon to help you recall everything you need. That secret is called the brain dump. It's a simple but powerful technique that can make a big difference when time is running out. When you're close to your exam and your mind feels cluttered, the brain dump helps clear your head. It's like creating a quick cheat sheet, but only with what you already know. You write down formulas, key definitions, dates, or concepts right before you start answering questions. This way, you don't waste time trying to remember basic facts during the test. Instead, you focus on applying your knowledge. When the exam begins, take a minute or two to jot down everything you remember about the subject. For math, write down formulas and steps. For history, list important dates and events. For language, note literary devices or grammar rules. The goal is to get all that information out of your head and onto paper. This process helps reduce anxiety because you see your knowledge laid out clearly. It also boosts your confidence since you're reminding yourself of what you've learned. Plus, if you get stuck on a tricky question, you can glance at your notes for a quick reminder. To get good at this, practice doing brain dumps during your study sessions. Set a timer for 1 to 3 minutes and write everything you know about a topic. Repeat this often so your brain gets used to retrieving information quickly. Try to simulate exam conditions by using scratch paper or a whiteboard and sticking to the time limit. Focus on the most important details for each subject. For math and science, prioritize formulas and processes. For language arts, list key literary devices. For history, jot down major events and themes. When you're pressed for time before an exam, a brain dump can be your fastest review method. Instead of passively rereading notes, actively recall and write down what you remember. This active retrieval helps your brain remember better. You can even create brain dump stations, where you move from one topic to another, spending a few minutes at each, writing everything you recall. Remember to include information most likely to slip your mind under pressure: complex formulas, tricky definitions, or lists. Don't waste time on things you already know well. Always check your exam rules first. Some tests let you write notes during a specific time before starting, while others expect you to do this during the exam. Never include anything you haven't learned or that would break exam rules. Teachers sometimes use brain dump activities as quick reviews, asking students to write down everything they recall about a topic and then compare notes or discuss. This makes learning active and helps reinforce memory. Overall, the brain dump is a practical tool for last-minute revision. It helps you organize your knowledge, calm nerves, and prepare a quick reference guide tailored to your needs. Practicing it regularly makes you more confident and ready to tackle exams even when time is tight.